Hello, darlings. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and have yourself a marvelous holiday season. Hello, darlings. It's Brandy here. Here is my last Christmas set for the holiday season. But first, it's shameless promotion time. Okay, y'all, we are extending our spend $5 to win 25 raffle giveaway. It's just a way to help boost my sales, and you get some nice stuff for it. So every $5 that you spend on the website, excluding shipping, you get one entry. So if you spend $10, you get 2 entries into the giveaway. Also, you can donate to my PayPal, and it's the same thing. Every $5 is 1 entry into the giveaway. The video that is on the screen explains everything in depth, and yes, Miss Sassy Fantasy is the one that is donating the $25 to do this, so I am very thankful, girl. Mwah, mwah, mwah. So please go check her video out if you are interested. Most of our items can be used in any season. They're not just Christmas. Of course, we do have a few that are just Christmas, but I mean, we have those beautiful snowflakes, all kinds of different religious stuff going on here, solvent-resistant glitter, all kinds of stuff. The clocks for New Year's Eve, very, very simple and very, very inexpensive. So don't forget to use our ambassador codes KF10, SherieBaby10, or Sassy10 to save yourself 10% on your order, and that 10% counts towards the $5 for the raffle. So I just wanted to throw that out there. All right, y'all, let's get on to this Rosalind set. Okay, y'all, let us get into this Rosalind kit. So at the time of me making this video, this set is sold out. Of course, I'm still going to put out the video because, it's my last holiday set. Well, not holiday, because, we got New Year's Eve coming. But anyways, it's sold out at the moment. I am still going to have all the information stuff in the description box, so that if you are interested in it, or if you're watching this video at a later date, then you can get right into it. It's a beautiful set that has such a range of colors. I was really happy when I saw it, because if you don't know, gel polishes and hard gel and poly gel, all that kind of stuff, it goes bad after a few years. Now, if you're a YouTuber and you're not putting it on anybody's hands, you can still use it, right? But as you're working on people, or if you're selling press-on nail sets or whatever, you want to make sure that the person is safe. That you're not going to be sending them something that's like super toxic, but like gone over the good date. It's like drinking rotten milk. But anyways, I'm giving you a quick little rundown of all the colors. I am doing this pastel macaron type set because it's not, I can't define it. It's a little bit more bright than a pastel, right? But it's not like the true macaron colors either. But I am really happy with the way it turned out, so that is wonderful. And like I said, the range of colors in this is amazing. There is a jelly blue, like a very, very dark jelly blue, which I will be using. I already got plans. The glitter polishes are beautiful. It does give you a couple of each color so that you have, a good range. Like the blue has like 4 colors if you include the glitter, right? And the greens are sort of similar, but when you see them in person, you can tell the difference right away. Same thing with the purples. You get like that 3 range, 3 different colors. But yeah, they stand out against each other. So the greens I think are the closest, but like I said, when you put them side by side, you could tell definitely that they are different. So the code on the screen is valid only for this set. It's not for any other Rosalind set on Amazon. And like I said, I'm sorry it's sold out, but it's an awesome, awesome set. Like even there, look at that beautiful purple glitter. Fire! There's so much you can do with it. I can't really talk it up any more than I am. But yeah, see, look at that vibrant, vibrant orange. There's just a beautiful range. So these are actually 3XL stilettos. We sell the double XL, but I had these out, so I decided to straight go for it. And look at that beautiful, beautiful color. I didn't have to put second coats on any of them. They're super pigmented, and they just spread very nice and buttery, and I was really, really happy with them. I didn't film the purple. I'm sorry. I realized it as I went to turn it off that it wasn't on. And I know y'all have seen that happen. You know, I'm sorry. Can't help it. If I'm just even a little bit distracted, you know, it tends to happen. But this beautiful sky blue, same thing, only needed one coat. Stunning. And yeah, they're beautiful. They're totally beautiful. I did want to mix up the colors. I didn't want it to look too rainbowy, you know, starting with yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, like that. Plus, pink is my favorite, and I really don't like putting it on the thumb or the pinky because it doesn't give enough pink. Like, I gotta have it, right? So it has to be one of the other 3 nails. It has to. I mean, not every time, I guess, but I tend to lean towards that. Now, here's this beautiful, it's not grass green, but it's just green. It's green, okay? I can't think of what to compare it to. But like I said, look at how buttery and beautiful they spread on there. It is amazing. Okay, y'all, you know when the gloves come off, I'm working with my sticky nail, unsticky, I should say, my unsticky nail glue gel, whatever, right? So on this set, I am using the Pastel Kawaii Snowflakes. They are 2 for 39 cents. You get 2 of the same color, and they are perfect through winter, even for Valentine's Day. I mean, they can go for a lot. And the other stuff that I'm using is actually in our advent calendar boxes. I know that it's over and Christmas is over, but I had some surprises in there that are not on the website, and I am using them in this set, so I figured I would throw it up there. And it's not like the stuff in there goes bad either, so you know, it's gonna sit in its lonely spot all by itself. But anyways, so the pink gingerbread house, that is in the advent calendar box, as well as those flowers with the rhinestones on them. All 3 of those are all 4, oh, can't even count. All 4 of those are in there with a set of 2 each. You know, I must give you one. But I wasn't sure which color I was going to go with, so I pulled them all out. And I decided to go with the white. It does have kind of like a aurora iridescentness going on. All of them have that. So it does shift the color a little bit. But I love them. They're beautiful, and the sparkle is amazing. I gotta stop saying amazing. I need to start saying marvelous more. Marvelous. Yes, they definitely are. So I decided to try to put not large, but, well, large for regular people. Because, you know, large for me is a whole different category because your girl gotta be extra, right? So I wanted to see if they would work with the sticky gel, and it was not worth the mess or the time. I mean, it's not super messy, but it was really hard for me to get the ball of the gel stuff and get it onto the back of the rhinestone, and then picking up the rhinestone to get it onto the nail. So trying to maneuver all that is really not good for someone with arthritis, especially with a flare-up. So I do not recommend doing it this way when you can just use the drill gel glue and put it in the lamp and it's fine because those won't slide very much. It's only when you get into larger charms or like, you know, the giant rhinestones that I tend to use, that it's good to use that gunk. I don't know what else to call it. Because saying non-sticky gel nail glue is just a little too much, you know? So maybe I'll switch it to gunk. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes, okay? So yeah, that was I decided to do it that way. I picked up the gem with the picker, and then I picked up the ball with the gem and the picker, but then I was having a hard time getting it onto the nail. So for the larger charms, if you are selling them or like selling the set of press-on nails or are going to wear them, I definitely recommend using the nail glue, like regular nail glue, and putting it on the back of the charm, getting it set onto the nails, and then putting like the drill gel glue or this stuff around it just to seal it in, because the light can't get to it. But anyways, I overtalked myself again. Aren't they stunning? Love them. I hope you and yours have a marvelous Christmas, a very merry day that is just relaxing and everything you need it to be. And don't forget to do all that YouTube-y stuff, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget about the raffle giveaway. If you are not interested, please share. Please, please share. Please, please, please. So hopefully we can find a few more people that are interested. And yeah, I think that's about it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a marvelous day. And thanks again. Mwah.